Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the Essence of Time, which is hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee Crafts. And it's a 100-day challenge where you have 10 minutes to craft and create something within that time frame. So this is going to be days 10 through 12. So the last thing that we made was these two pockets right here, and I was going to decorate them, but I decided that I'm actually I'm going to finish this cover first. So I have taken out some stencils and some stuff that I perhaps may or may not use. I don't know for sure, but what I definitely want around the edge is I want this kind of dark. I want like dark up against this right here. So I'm going to do something. I'm going to alter this altered page. It's not going to look like this right here. So I'm not satisfied with it. So I'm just going to take some around the edges. I'm just going to take a little bit of this modeling. Oh, wait a minute. Let me start my timer. 10 minutes. So what I'm going to be doing, let me just stop it first. Because these two sessions are going to be sped up. I am going to record. Oh goodness. Stop. Whatever. Okay, so I am going to record these first two sessions and speed them up, and then on that last session it'll be just regular time. Alright, so let me go ahead and hit start. All right, time's up for this first session. And so now it's time to start the second session. Okay, so the time just now stopped. I'm just going to go ahead and glue this down since I've already got it in my hand. And then we're going to pick back up. Let me go ahead and stop that. And then we're going to pick back up, and then this is going to be real time. And so I'm just adding on some of these little bits and bobs. Some fabric that I found. Let's slide this down. These are just leftover scraps. Let's see if I can get this one here. I'm not gonna lie, I did go ahead and kind of try to prepare and get some stuff together. That way I wouldn't have to spend all my time looking and searching for stuff. Because that typically is how I do stuff. I'll have an idea in my head, and then I'll try to find things that will fit whatever, I guess, theme or whatever thing that I'm working on at the time. And sometimes it takes me a little while because I'm not satisfied easily. And so I just figured it might be a little bit easier if I just go ahead and plan just a little bit, you know. So now I'm just layering some of this stuff. I'm hoping that it's going to turn out okay. And so I've got like lace, muslin. This little piece right here is this is a little piece of something that I gotten in Happy Meal a couple years ago from one of my crafty friends, and I think she's in Australia. Yeah. And so yeah, I keep all that stuff, and I do use it. It might take me a little while, but I do use my Happy Meal and stuff that people send me. I think it's really fun, and it's really sweet that they do that. Okay, so let's see. I don't need to have. I do like this one. This one and this one, they're actually from my digital. It's a freebie digital on my Ko-Fi. But do I need this? Maybe if I turn it like that. And since it had the coffee, it's the coffee and confections. Since it had the little coffee theme, I figured it might actually work with this. And basically all I did was just take some of those and do some embossing. I have videos on how I did some of that stuff. I think how I kind of had this in my head how I wanted to do it, but you know, sometimes things don't always pan out the way we had imagined them to. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this little old donut right here. Because, you know, who doesn't like the donut? Especially if you have coffee. I probably shouldn't say this, but I bet the cops have them. The coffee and donuts, no pun intended. But anyway, yeah, really no pun intended. I'm just having fun with it. Coffee and donuts, you know, since this is a coffee theme. But yeah, let's put this here. I don't know, maybe I should slide it up just a hair. Yeah, I think I will. Then we'll just put this little donut, probably, yeah, we'll put that back through there somewhere. That's like an afterthought. It should be an afterthought, but in my life, it's a first thought. Okay. Maybe I should put it on this side. Yeah, I'm sorry. It takes me forever to decorate. I don't know. You think that pink is a bit much? It might be a little bit too much. think I'll do it like this. I'm just gonna do it like that. Oh, I wish I had some black cardstock. I'll have to get some more. Well, here's a little piece with some embossed, but you know what? Why not? Why not just use it anyway, right? Okay, so have you guys been playing along? What you been up to, or what have you been crafting on, better yet? There are quite a number of challenges going on right now. I'm in this one, and then I'm in the hashtag how do you do art, Scrappy 8, and then the July Junk Journal challenge. So, and I've already completed my Scrappy 8, yay! And then, yeah, so I've been kind of busy this month, just a little bit, but it's my birthday month, so that's cool. Not that that matters. You know, I don't think I'm going to use this donut on this cover because I think it's just a bit too much. That pink, I think it's too much. I like it, but it's not on this page, not on the cover. Yeah, it's too much. It's like I want to have a balance of shapes. Maybe I don't need to put that in there. I'm just going to add these two. I think I need to bring them over here. Yeah, I do. Alright, I'm just going to glue these on and let it be what it is. We've only got like 4 minutes anyway, so let's just go ahead and wrap this up. And I might actually put some little coffee rings throughout. Let me slide this. I'm not even in frame, y'all. I'm sorry. I thought I was. I get so wrapped up in what I'm doing, I don't even realize what I'm... Sometimes I don't realize I'm not even in frame, and I apologize that I can't re-record this again because it's already recorded and done. So, alright, I'm almost getting ready to call this done. I might add this little seal. Do I need that? Maybe. Almost like a coffee drop. Actually, I think I'm going to draw some coffee drops with a pasta pen. I'm going to... if my pasta marker will work. Even if I run out of time, I'm still going to draw some. Oh, come on. Sometimes it does me good and sometimes it doesn't. Let me see, I have a Morphone acrylic paint pen. If it's not empty. Oh goodness, it does me the same way my pasta pen does. Now if I hadn't thought of that, it probably would have worked. Let's just take a black one and see what we can do. And then I'll just come back through, hopefully. They're supposed to be my little coffee drops. And then this is going to be like a little puddle. It's supposed to be a puddle. Oh, it doesn't look like it, but I'll deal with it. Alright. Yeah, I probably should have left it alone. And then I'm just going to come back, hopefully, with just a few dots. Alright, that's our time, y'all. Just put a couple of dots here. It's supposed to be a little coffee. Why does it have to do that? Alright. Done. Done. Well, this was a fun session and I'm satisfied. I got my cover done. You can see it. Make sure I'm in frame. So what do you guys think? I was able to get some texture paste, and if I can get it to show good on screen, we have a little coffee, the word coffee. Yeah, got us some little Happy Meal. This is Happy Meal, this is Happy Meal, this is Happy Meal. I just don't remember all the people that I got this from. I think I got this one from Felicia, the Sweet Spot Felicia, I think. Or I might have got this from Kristen. Oh goodness, y'all. I'm sorry if I don't remember, because I don't remember. But this is Happy Meal, y'all. So, like I said, I do use it. Sometimes I sit on it because I've got a lot and I'm not real sure how to use it at the moment. But I do use it, so. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And check out the Ko-Fi site if you like. Free digitals, things like that in there. So, this concludes day, I think it's day 8, 9, and 10. I think. If it isn't, I'll fix it in the description. Sorry guys, I got so much going on right now. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and supporting, and happy crafting.